Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? On May 2nd, this great city of Toronto will host the 9th annual Fight for Independence charity boxing event. Fighting representing BIMCOR and Nazareth House, I'd like to introduce Patrick Mayhem Miller.
I am fighting for the women at Nazareth House, the women that are working very hard and diligently to rebuild their lives. My training regimen is a strict diet of raw eggs, 5 a.m. runs, and a heavy bag with Mr. Heaps' face in the middle of it.
Cam Haymaker Heaps.
I'm fighting on behalf of the Sick Kids Foundation, which is saving the lives of kids in this great city every day. And in fact, it saved the life of my niece, Mimi. My training has been consisting primarily of living in the woods for 2 months with the wolves. I'm ready to re-enter society and destroy Mr. Miller. Mr. Miller, I hereby challenge you to a round of fisticuffs.
Mr. Heaps, I accept the challenge.
We have a fight, ladies and gentlemen. At this point in time, I'd like to open the floor to questions. Any questions? Any questions?
Oh my purse! Stop! Please!
You're next, Mr. Miller.
It's a battle! It's a battle! It's a battle! Gentlemen,